gonna try to make this work after like 30 years, so let's figure this out. So let's see what happens. Oh my gosh! Dude, we did it! Oh my gosh. You guys, we did it! This is awesome. I've never seen this thing light up in the world. Oh my gosh. Not in the world. I've never seen this in my lifetime turn on, I don't think. It's always been sitting in the garage. It's been sitting here for like 18 years. Never been on. And, yeah, in the last house, I don't even know if it was unboxed because it was sitting in a crate or whatever from when we moved it, and then it was always sitting in the I don't think it's ever been on that I've seen because it was in another like storage warehouse or whatever. So this is pretty sweet, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm really excited. Dude, this is awesome. So this one is broken right here, and like all the other ones still work, which is insane because they're like 30 years old. Oh my gosh, those things are burning hot. Oh my goodness. It's been on for like 3 seconds. I don't think it's wired backwards, but even if it was, it shouldn't work, or it should still work, but either way, it should trip or something if something went wrong or whatever, but this is awesome. I love it. I was just trying to guess on what the neutral was, because usually there's like a flat, like, there's like a little groove on it, so I kind of felt one, but it kind of felt like there's a groove on both of them, because sometimes when you tear it apart, you'll get the groove or whatever, but anyways. I'm gonna go see what my parents say. They'll probably be mad about it, but whatever. I had to see it for myself. Be right back. My dad's coming, so we'll see if he gets mad, but hopefully he gets excited. I don't think I've ever seen it turned on before.
Yep, first time here.
Yeah.
Okay, we need another bulb. I need to unscrew that one then.
Yeah, it's broken in there.
After you shut it off, unplug it, give me that bulb, and I'll see if I can match something. Yeah, that's good. Now, one day you got the car out, I'll clean it.
Yeah.
I'll shoot it and clean. Yeah, that looks good.
Alright guys, she's already on. Look at that baby. She's all lit up for me. Oh my gosh. Oh, emergency brake. I never use this. But I did this one time, so it let me know. It let me know. Katie's going in, baby. This is all new. This is all new. Why is my car like stuttering? Katie's all lit up. Katie! That was really weird. It was like, I've never felt that before. I had it running and then it was like shaking, like, I don't know. Hopefully nothing's wrong. There it is, guys. I hardwired it. After we tested it, I hardwired it. Just stuck a wire off the back. Didn't knock it out, but just left a crack. No bushing. Forgive me. And then hardwired it. Looks freaking sick. Katie, get that showroom treatment, baby, like she deserves. What's up? So this light bulb's out, and then there's one on the back side that's not lighting up. There. So as you can see, we stuck the wire nut right there. Looks sick. Oh hey Katie, how's it going, girl? Yes. Alright guys, so if you can see this is my to-do list. It's things I write down so I don't forget. So as you can see, I just aired up Katie's tires, so let me just do this real quick. Air Katie's tires, and then the chandelier. Boom, delete that. And then also replacing my inserts in my shoes, because those things are 10 years old, so boom. So that's 3 things off of my list today. I'm feeling really proud of myself, like, not even gonna lie. Getting goosebumps right now. But as you can see, this is what freaking 10-year-old Adidas Superstar inserts look like. the only reason I'm taking it out is because it's crumpled up and it wouldn't go back down. So this is what 10-year-old inserts look like, and that's how I afford a Corvette. So as you can see, I took out, actually, I don't know where I put them. I put them back inside, but I have black ones, all brand new black ones with blue stripes that I've never worn. I've had them for like, I don't know, like 6 years or something. So I ripped them out. It kind of tore a couple pieces off the bottom. This isn't from it, but this is essentially what it looked like. But there's a couple pieces that slightly came off the bottom, but I don't think I can really tell. So now I have brand new inserts, same size 8, and so now we're ready to go for another 10 years. So there's my shoes from freaking 5th grade right there. So I got these ones from high school, and then I think I also had these from high school. No, these were, anyways, I got the black and blue ones the same time as I got the white and blue ones. So, and then I've worn these like 7 times. So I got those, these, and that's basically all I wear. And then these ones from high school, I think too. I took out, anyways, I don't even remember, but I switched the laces or something, so I kind of get the shoes confused, but basically they're the same age, I think. So, and then I got my church shoes down here, and then my old work boots that are useless because they're all crunchy and unusable. So anyways, that's the story of my life, and really good day. Katie's burning over there, so let's go, guys. Freaking hype. Alright, so thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining me on this glorious day. God bless you. Have an awesome rest of your day. Catch you in the next one. See you later.